You're not selling sketchy Viagra, so why is Gmail sending your emails to spam? Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Carl from GMass, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why your completely normal emails keep landing in spam, how you can avoid it, and I'm even going to show you a tool that does it all for you. Let's dive right in. Reason number one is going to be your sender reputation. Now, of all of the reasons that your email could be landing in spam, sender reputation is the biggest and the baddest. If Gmail doesn't trust you, then nothing else matters. It doesn't matter if your subject lines were written by Shakespeare himself, or if your copy could bring tears to my eyes, still spam. Think of it like your email credit score. High score, inbox. Low score, spam dungeon. And there is no bankruptcy court for this one, as much as we wish that there was. Here's why your sender reputation matters. Opens, clicks, replies, and those sweet not spam rescues are brownie points. But spam reports, bounces, and no engagement? That's like skipping your rent payments. So how exactly do you improve and protect your sender reputation? Here's 3 main ways you can focus on. Aim to get engagement like clicks and replies. Even a no thanks is way better than silence. Encourage people, if possible, to save you from the spam folder. Having friends or colleagues click not spam on your emails is like pure gold for your sender reputation. Don't send spam. You'd think that one's pretty obvious, but it's not. The bottom line is that you can't hack your sender reputation. You have to earn it painfully and slowly, like trust. Or abs. Reason number 2 is an unnatural sending pattern and volume spikes. Imagine you have a friend that never texts you. Then one random Thursday at like 3 AM, they send you 147 messages in a row. Weird, right? That's exactly how Gmail feels when you blast out 1,000 random messages, especially from a brand new Gmail account. It looks creepy, weird, and suspicious. Sudden bursts, irregular sending patterns, or sudden spikes in sending volume are all major red flags that scream to Gmail, spam. So how do you fix it? There's 3 main ways. The first is to warm up gradually. Start with small batches of emails and then scale up over time. The second is to throttle your sending. Spread your emails out a bit so that it looks a bit more natural. And number 3 is to keep a consistent sending rhythm. Gmail loves predictability. In a nutshell, don't get a random burst of inspiration to send out like 1 million emails overnight. Be strategic and pace your sending. Reason number 3 is missing or broken SPF, DKIM, or DMARC. In reality, Google doesn't trust anyone. Not you, not me, and sometimes not even itself. That is why it's always a great idea to reassure Google that you are who you say you are. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are forms of authentication that you can use to let Google know that it's really you sending email from your domain. Without them, Google looks at your email like, cool, sorry, but who even are you? Here's how you can fix this. The first is to set up all 3, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. If you can't take the 5 minutes to do both of them, you can either choose between SPF or DKIM, but you might as well just set up all 3. If you'd like to know exactly how to do this yourself, we have a link in the description to our beginner's guide walking you through the entire process step by step. Number 2 is to test them regularly. Broken records are just as bad as missing ones. And number 3, don't assume that your IT guy handled it back in 2019. Trust me, do yourself a favor and check them yourself. The bottom line is that Gmail doesn't let strangers into the club, and these records are your VIP wristband. Reason number 4 is sketchy links and tracking. Having too many links in your email is suspicious, but the real problem is having sketchy links. Think of it like this. You could have a spotless reputation, but if you walk into a party next to your sketchy friend wearing a trench coat and no visible pants, people are going to start questioning you too. It is exactly the same with email. If your link points to a blacklisted site or spammers are using the same domain in their messages, Gmail just stops trusting you. The catch is that you might not even know that this is happening, like with shared domains. Shared domains, like link shorteners or tracking links, often get abused by spammers. When that happens, everyone else using them also pays the price. It's like that creepy friend making you hold his coat before he goes on a rampage. Here's how you can avoid that. Number 1 is to use your own branded domain for links and tracking. Don't piggyback on shared ones that spammers use. We also have a link in the description for beginner-friendly steps on how you can set that up. Number 2 is to avoid shady redirects or shorteners. Just keep links clean and transparent. And number 3 is to check your domains regularly. Make sure that they aren't on any block lists and that they have a clean reputation. The bottom line is that one bad link can completely sink your credibility. If you can control your links, then you control how Gmail sees you. And reason number 5, bounces and list hygiene. Sending to dead addresses is like calling your ex every night. Not only do they not pick up, but everyone around you is embarrassed for you, including Gmail. Old lists, unverified lists, and even lists that you've purchased can be a fast track to landing in the spam bin. Every bounce has the potential to be a hit to your reputation, and enough of them will tank your reputation completely. Here's how you can fix it. Number 1 is to regularly clean your lists. Number 2 is to remove bounce and inactive addresses immediately. And number 3, if you're mining for prospects, make sure that you verify all of those emails before you send to them. Now, all of this can be a lot, so I'm sure you're wondering, does it need to take all this work? Sadly, yes, and it's not something you can ignore. And unfortunately, there's no tool that can give you perfect deliverability either. It's like asking for a protein shake that gives you abs. I wish, right? No matter what tools promise you, there's no deliverability magic wand. But there is a lot that the right tool can do for you. Enter GMass. GMass is a Chrome extension that integrates directly into Gmail, giving it superpowers. And some of those superpowers can help boost your deliverability and protect your sender reputation. Here's how. GMass gives you access to a free email verification feature, which helps you to stop shooting dead addresses. A spam solver tool that tests your message before sending it to predict its deliverability. It gives you access to custom tracking domains. Side note, this is actually the way to avoid sharing those sketchy links that I mentioned earlier. We have a link in the description on how you can set those up too. With GMass, you can send directly through Gmail's API, which is way more reliable than IMAP. And you get tons of other features like spin tax, speed throttling, advanced mail merge, and a whole lot more. Basically, it won't magically make you invincible, but it will give you every possible advantage, short of Gmail practically hand delivering your email for you. And there you have it, the truth why your precious email was discarded to the spam pile. Remember that Gmail isn't out to get you personally, it's just playing defense. You know, that's its job, it's just sometimes a little too good at it. But if you pay attention to your reputation, sending patterns, authentication, links, and list hygiene, you will start seeing your emails land exactly where they deserve to be. The inbox. And this process can be a handful, but it doesn't have to be. Here at GMass, our goal is to make email marketing simple, effective, and stress-free. We give you the tools that you need to stay out of spam, reach more people, and actually get results, without wasting hours wrestling technical headaches or decoding jargon. Now, if that sounds like something that could help you out, then check out our website, linked in the description, or just download the GMass Chrome extension from the Chrome store directly and start your free trial. You're not going to regret it. And if you found this video helpful, then please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel to stay in the loop. We post videos like this every single week, packed with email tips, tricks, and strategies that level up your email game, or just make sending emails less painful. For now, thanks for watching and happy emailing.